Today is Thursday, October 14th, 2021. We're at 31332 Edgeworth in Sterling Heights. We're going to do a diagnostic televised of the sanitary sewer. We're going to show here's the sanitary. You can see the storm has a PVC clean out. We're currently located in a small closet under the stairs that go downstairs. We believe the sewer runs out the back of the house. There is an easement in back. We're going to do a diagnostic televise. As you can see, this is the 4-inch cast iron. And here's where we tie the storm and sanitary together. And here you can see this is where we change over to the 6-inch clay tile. You can see here at the bottom of this tile we have a crack. You can also see a slight circumferential crack as well. You can see this crack runs along the bottom of the sewer. You can see it runs all the way through the next tile. As you can see again all along the bottom. Here you can see that it continues. And you can see we have some cracking up the side. You can see this piece is pushed out. You can see here as well, you can see all along the bottom here, we have cracking of the clay tiles. We are going to do a second record with a centering guide to give us a better visual. We are going to try and see if we can pause and flush. We do have a basement bathroom. And see if we can flush a toilet a few times to obtain a clear lens as we televise out to the city main. Okay, here at this joint as we come down around the turn, you can see we do have some fingering root infiltration as well. Here you can see we do push out to the city main. It is only about 45 feet out. Again, we are going to pull back at this time. We're going to pause before we pull back, and we're going to locate this area. Okay, we've made an attempt to locate this. We were unable to get an accurate location. We do believe that the sewer runs possibly between this house and the house to the north. We are going to pull back some and see if we can get an actual better location, but it is very possible that this runs under the drive and under the concrete patio in back going out. So we're going to pull back slightly here and get ourselves a measurement. See if we can actually obtain a location. Then we will go ahead and continue to pull back. Okay, we have located this. This is just in front of the north side of the garage, right by the white privacy fence. We are going to pull back here. We're continuing our record. When we get to the area where we transition, we will go ahead and attempt to pull back. As you can see here, we have cracking in this tile. Again, you can see it's a circumferential crack. Here you can see we have some small root infiltration at that joint. Again, here you can see we have cracking along the bottom. Here runs just in, you can see there's the end of it. Here you can see we have a little bit of infiltration. You can see that's another circumferential crack, again with a crack running along the bottom. Here you can get a better view of that. Here you can see severe cracking here, circumferential. You can see this joint definitely has some issues. You can see the pipe is actually pushed out. This is basically what's called a hinge crack. As you can see, the right hand side is kind of opened up a bit. Again, you can see another crack through here. You can see it running along the bottom. Again, running along this tile as well. You can see it runs up the wall. You can see some slight cracking that was up by that joint. Again, you can see more circumferential crack here. Here, we'll give you a better shot. You can see the circumferential crack right here. We are going to go ahead and push in to this first joint to see if we can get a location on this area. Okay, we did verify this location. It is under the patio, by the patio door, down approximately 10 feet. And as you can see, this is our 4-inch cast iron. It does have scale buildup in it. It's definitely something that if we were to install a liner, we would need to descale the cast iron. Also, the stairs would have to be removed for us to even get equipment in to install a liner. This will end our video recording.